The first part, getting things ready, is really important. This isn't just about putting your property on the market. It's about carefully setting the stage to make sure that it looks its best and that helps you to get the most value. Let's dive into the main parts of this crucial first step. Our goal here is to show your property in the best possible way, so it really connects with potential buyers. This means taking a thoughtful and analytical look at how it is now and where it stands in the market. A CCIM professional brings a deep understanding of market dynamics to this initial assessment. First, we focus on making your property look great. This includes two main things: boosting its curb appeal and taking care of any deferred maintenance issues. First impressions are super powerful in commercial real estate. A well-kept outside with nice landscaping and a clean front shows you're a professional and you care. Also, fixing any obvious problems like a leaky faucet, a broken window, or damaged flooring shows the property is ready and can stop buyers from thinking there are hidden issues, which might lead to lower offers or longer talks. Next, getting an accurate value is absolutely key. This means getting a professional appraisal to figure out a fair and realistic market value for your property. An independent appraisal gives you an objective opinion based on real data and what similar properties have sold for. This step helps you to avoid pricing too high, which may scare off buyers, and make it sit on the market, or pricing it too low, which means you might leave money on the table. CCIM's expertise in financial analysis and market valuation is particularly valuable here, ensuring your pricing strategy is sound. It gives you a solid and clear basis for how you'll price your property. Also, being financially ready from your side as the seller is a big part of getting prepared. This means understanding things like potential capital gains taxes or any mortgage payoffs and other money matters that come with selling. Knowing these things up front helps you plan your finances better and avoid surprises during the sale. And finally, having all your documents ready is essential for a smooth transaction. This means gathering all the necessary legal and financial paperwork well ahead of time. This includes things like title deeds, existing leases, if you have them, property surveys, environmental reports, maintenance records, and financial statements about how the property has been doing. Having these documents ready shows you're transparent and efficient, and it really speeds up the due diligence process. By carefully taking care of these preparation steps, you not only make your property more appealing to buyers, but it also builds a foundation of professionalism and openness that can make the sale happen faster. It's about being proactive, not just reacting to things. And a CCIM professional is uniquely qualified to guide you through this initial and critical phase. In our next talk, we'll go from getting ready to making a plan as we look at step 2, informed pricing strategy. Stay tuned. Ready to get your property sale off to the best start? Connect with Apex Real Estate Services today at 951-977-3251, and we'll help ensure that your strategic preparation is on point. Or you can visit our website at www.apex-res.com to set up a free consultation. Or if you prefer, you can scan the QR code right there.